Hello and welcome to fourth episode of Access Hub at the Space Tech Expo 2024. So we have covered three of the companies recently, and this is the fourth episode, taking a deep dive not into the components of the system but more into the coating side. Primarily, I would say this kind of companies actually exist on. I would say they serve several other industries apart from the space industry as well. So, and I think I've been knowing Acktar for quite a long now, and it's really great to meet them in person because this is the first time that I'm meeting them in person in any of the conference. So yeah, from this point of view, taking a jump into the actual topic, can you briefly tell us what do you feel about this year's Space Tech Expo? Not only from your company's point of view, but you as on an individual perspective as well.
Hi, Omka. First, nice meeting you in person.
Absolutely, yeah.
Well, for me, I think it's amazed how big Space Tech Expo got in the last years,
Yes.
and this year to enhance, like in Hall 7 also.
Yes.
And this is wonderful. I think the space industry showing here a lot of new stuff and a lot of amazing, supportive and really great applications.
Yes.
And yeah, you know what I mean.
Yes. You'd like to say a few words, Alex?
Well, I'm also amazed about the growth
Yeah.
of the exhibition, and obviously there's a growth in the market
Interesting.
where we'd also like to participate.
Interesting. And yeah, proceeding ahead to the actual meat of the interview, I would say. So, can you tell us briefly about Acktar and what the company does, what kind of products you have, apart from the space industry, also how many industry do you serve, and in general in the space industry, what kind of footprint you had as a company?
I would say Acktar is an Israeli-based company. We are from the German subsidiary, and we are doing a lot of markets everywhere with photonics, optics, and everywhere where light disturbs. Our coating is the one and only, I would say, to use. We have different product types, like our coatings, like direct coating service. You send us the part, we coat it for you under your specifications, or we are having the coating on a foil, where you have larger areas to coat for yourself. Maybe Alex want to add something.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we are from the photonics and optics community. We are specialized in the development and application of ultra black coatings to absorb scattered light and stray light in optical systems, or to beam damp laser power. But we have also a product line specifically for space applications where you need surfaces to do passive thermal management with adjusted emissivity values of these surfaces.
Interesting. I hope people from my platform, the suppliers from both space, defense, aviation, and maritime, if anyone is looking at this interview, do contact Acktar for the kind of coating services that they provide. It's my proven experience because I have worked with them with previous subcontracted, and they really have some good products in the industry. So do contact them, and if at all you are at Space Tech Expo, do visit their booth over here. You can please tell the booth number. What is the booth number? K45, right? K45. Okay, so if you are at the Space Tech Expo, please do visit their booth, and they are more than happy to let you know what kind of products they have. They even have some of the samples over here, so they'll be happy to even introduce you to the sample products as well. So taking to the last part of the episode, I would say, what do you feel about the space industry and how it will evolve in 2025? You can answer this question in a much more freely navigating way, either from your individual perspective or as an actor, or in general. How do you see as a space community people evolving the industry in 2025?
What we see in the market, that the products and the applications get more mature, that there is a huge growth on different applications And with the growing number of starting opportunities of satellite constellations, there's also a growing number of potential photonic applications and optics applications in that sector. So we are very positive about the development of the space market, specifically also for the creation of optics and photonics payloads and payload constellations.
Interesting. Sarah, would you like to add some last words?
Well, actually, I'm happy to have the experience in the space industry since I'm with Acktar or ACM, and it's always nice to get your mind spread and have new input and see how the future will go one day.
Interesting. So yeah, thank you very much for providing us insights both into the event and your company, and I wish you all the best for the next year. So yeah, thank you very much for listening to this episode, and we'll be coming back with few more actually episodes which will be lining up for tomorrow. Thank you, and listen to the Access Hub.